Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 5 Nerf guns that are the best. So number 1 is a Maverick, a 7 shotgun. You would like to use this on Nerf guns, Nerf bars. And number 2 is Hammer Shot, my best gun, my favorite gun. You could do it like this. And then number 3 is this Dominator. And number 4 is the Desolator over here. And then here the Thunder Blast. That's number 4 over here. And then we have the Rough Cut Favorite Blaster. So that's all the guns for today. See you guys next time. Please subscribe. I'm Josh React. Bye.